So in this question, it says that cycling park has two circular tracks, so touching each other like this, identical circular tracks touching each other, and a rectangular track which encloses the two circles, so kind of like this. Now the edges of the rectangles are tangents to the circles and so on. The friends start cycling from a point where the circular track touches the smaller side. So here, A and B. A cycles along the rectangle, where B cycles along the circle, making an H shape like this. Okay, so this is how B is moving, creating the H shape. Whereas A is going straight. And it's saying that how much faster does A have the cycle so that they get the they take the same time to return to their starting point. So they have to both return here at the same time. So the speed would be like A has to cover more distance, right? If I assume that the radius be R, then this is, if I just were to draw a dotted line like this, imaginary. So for A, the distance that he has to cover is 4R plus 4R, 8R, 9, 10, 11, 12R. Whereas for B, it is basically just the circumference of the two circles. So 4 pi R. Both have to take the same time to reach here. So speed will be proportional to the distance. So the speeds would be just for A and B, 12 is to 4 pi. Okay. Because they have to reach to the starting point at the same time. So if I cancel out the R, so this is what we have. Okay. So 3 is to pi. A has to travel a distance of 3, whereas B has to travel a distance of pi, which is 3.14. So B has to have a higher speed than A. So that's the question. How much faster than A does B have to cycle? So how much more? So 0.14 more than A. So than A. So divided by 3 times 100. So it's basically 14 by 3. So that's around 4.67% more. So this is because we have assumed 3.14. So a better approximation would have been 4.7. So we can mark the third option as the correct one.